stay tuned, be well, and eat healthy. Well,
you don't even eat healthy. How dare you tell people to eat healthy?
All right.
He don't even eat healthy.
Yo, my bad.
He just was complaining about vegetables.
My bad, y'all. Listen, just enjoy your food. Peace.
Hey, you guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Whitney. This is my husband.
Tim.
And today, what we're bringing to you is a mukbang. We actually went to the Asian spot in the mall where we live at. I can't even show y'all really. Here you go. Damn. Yeah.
Can't see it. It looks like fries.
Well, it's chicken, brown rice, and some sauce that they put on.
Where
Here you go. The sun's going down.
Yeah.
It's a lot of chicken. I got double chicken. Plus, you guys, I'm on a diet, and you know, I just lost 10 pounds, and I'm trying to stick to it.
This drink's delicious.
Couldn't even eat. He couldn't even wait. He had to eat without me.
Well, she got brown rice. I got white rice.
Mhm.
White rice is if y'all want to lose some weight.
Brown rice.
And
not white rice.
My bad, brown rice. And white rice if you trying to gain some pounds. I'm a little skinny, but you know y'all gonna see how I eat. So
This is actually good.
they put a lot of sauce on it, so
Got vegetables, everything.
You said what?
Vegetables.
Oh, you got that? I told them not to touch, not to put none in
You
mine.
got vegetables. They put it in there.
Oh, this stuff.
I didn't even want to say nothing because you need vegetables.
Nah, man. I didn't want no vegetables, man.
I seen them put it in there. I know you said
I'm
no.
gonna try it though. I'm gonna try it.
You said plain rice, and I seen them put the vegetables. I was like, oh.
I'm gonna try it. See it? I don't know if y'all can see it because the sun is messing up, but
There's a carrot.
I'm gonna taste good. Don't put it back in there again. I don't want it no more.
Don't put what?
I don't want that you know, that vegetables and the onions and
You
stuff.
told me don't put it back in there like I made the food.
Well, you told me to put it in there, right?
I didn't tell them to put it in
Well,
there.
you
I
made
was
the food.
laughing because they put it in there and you told them not to put it in there. What are you talking about?
All right. Delicious. Might come back tomorrow. I'm mad because they can't really see it. Like, let me see. Hold on. You see it?
Nice. Y'all gotta bear with us too, guys. We're using our phones right now. So we get our camera. We was actually looking at some stuff today. Went to the Apple store. And we just bought our first tripod.
Better get it right.
Tripod. Okay? To hold the phone up. To see how this first video goes. So if it look like I'm looking somewhere else, just know it's because of my phone.
Yeah, but if y'all want some, y'all know where to go. Tell them where to go.
Staten Island Mall, New York City. That's right.
What's their name again?
I have no clue.
It's crazy,
I don't
huh?
even think it's on the bag.
No, it's not bad.
It's from the food court. But it's so good. This is a spot that I always eat from all the time. Sarkyu? Japan. Oh, it's Japanese food, matter of fact.
Japanese food.
Sorry.
The world's famous chicken teriyaki.
Yes, there you go. That's what it says on the bag.
If y'all want any information, just hit our comments hit us in the comments and we'll give it to you. Alright up.
How did my fork get like that?
Because you was hungry.
Don't make me laugh. Oh my god. It's so crazy because I've been coming to this spot since I was little.
Yeah.
With my parents. Yep. I never ate at no other spot in that place. Except for Pepe had like Burger King one time.
It's like my third time, you know what I mean? Every time, it's the same. Like, they didn't change, they didn't get lazy or nothing. So, if you have a chance, hit the Staten Island Mall, go to the, you know, the Japan people.
People.
You know, the second floor in the food court. Go get yourself some chicken teriyaki. You know? They got the noodles too. You know what I mean?
They basically have noodles, shrimp, everything. That's good. Got the broccoli. I'm sorry, y'all. We doing this in the car, so it's kind of like hard because the sun.
They make sure this is all they. I mean, they sell other stuff, but mainly everybody get a Snapple.
Mm-hmm.
So you know what I mean.
That's what we drinking.
Snapple. Yo, the sun is messing me up. Yo, look at the Snapple. I'm gonna let y'all know what it is. It's a lemon tea. You got a whole bunch of these in the bag. They got a whole bunch. It's like they know we gonna take it. Take one of them, yo. And then they have their own little juices.
How much
that
everything came up to?
For two, I think like
$15.
Nah, 20. 19 and change.
I thought they said
But you
15.
can't beat it. We got extra chicken.
We got extra. Both of us got
chicken,
extra
you know what I
chicken.
So
Plus the drink. So 19 and change, like $20.
can't beat
Can't
that.
go wrong with that.
You know? And it fills you up.
Yes. But
And they not cheap with the chicken. You know, some places cheap with the chicken, and I don't like that. That's why I mostly don't go to most of these other places. But we gonna find out, you know, on our journey. So y'all stay tuned. What?
But you guys, I've been eating twice a day, so I have. When I met Timmy in 2010, I'm telling this story.
Oh.
I was 225 pounds. No stomach, no nothing. Boy, 2-3 years go by, a girl was up to 270. Lord, I done got comfortable in my relationship. You know, we was just eating, chilling. He used to come to my mother's house and order 20 tacos. 20
Yep.
had me eating like 20. Lord
Yeah, 'cause
Jesus.
I don't gain weight. Nah.
So, you know, I gained all the weight. Excuse me. But, yeah. But I also just had 2 kids in 1 year. A girl and a boy. So, my last weight was 285?
Yeah.
That was like 2 weeks ago. I weighed myself today. I'm down to 272.3.
That's what's up. And this is what your last meal for the day?
My last meal.
And what you gonna have after this? Water?
Yeah.
Some fruits?
All the fruits are gone.
Yeah.
What, the bananas are left?
Eat yourself a banana then.
No, I'm really mad my fork is like this. Why is my fork like this?
Mm-hmm. The white part is the white rice. But this is the chicken though, you know what I mean? It's good. They put the juice on it. What is it? Teriyaki juice?
I don't know. But it tastes good.
Yeah, yo. If you want, they got duck sauce, they got hot sauce. If you want for your white rice.
You ever go to places
What?
like the halal truck? What is that white sauce? Everybody wanna know what the white sauce is.
Yo, what is
We
that?
don't know what the white sauce is, but we still gonna eat the white sauce.
And I be asking them, and they be
You ask
fronting
them
on
what
me
it
like,
is, they
yo.
won't even tell you. It's like this secret ingredient or something. It's just weird.
If we find out, we gonna let y'all know.
We're never gonna find out. They had that white sauce for years.
Hmm.
You know what I
Excuse me,
noticed
y'all. Excuse me.
about the white rice and the brown rice?
Well, you gotta talk up. I can't even hear you.
The white rice and the brown rice so different. Like it's, I don't know if it's sticky.
What's sticky? The brown rice?
Yeah. Mm.
This is good.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is our first video.
Yeah, what's today's date?
Oh.
9/29/17.
Yeah, but what does that matter?
I mean, because
It's gonna pop
it
up?
does matter. It's our first day.
I mean,
What day?
it's gonna say it on the video.
I mean, I just wanted to let them know.
Okay.
It's my first video I ever made, really. You know what I mean? The whole world gonna see me and my chin. You know.
He cut his beard the other day.
You know?
Now he's growing it back. But yeah, this is our first video, so we trying, you know. I seen a lot of people on YouTube doing it, and I was like, that look like it's fun. Plus, I'm a stay-at-home mom now. I used to always work, so I've been at work for 2 years, and it's like, what to do? And I look on YouTube, and I see everybody doing this, and it's so crazy because it seems like when I watch other people eat, I lose weight. Because I don't be looking for food.
Well done. What you call that? The grill? They had it on the grill, right?
Mm-hmm.
They had it on the grill. Well done.
And something told me to pick up another fork, and now I see why. You see my fork? Look at it.
Most places I go to, I eat the food and then mess my stomach up. But
No,
this place right
seriously.
here,
Look at my fork.
she hungry.
No,
Look at my fork. I mean, and I've been eating more than you right now. Look, my fork's still together.
I can't even pick my food up right.
But we want to give a shout out to. Tell them who we want to give a shout out to.
What's her name?
Oh, you can't be forgetting no names now.
Oh, B Loves.
Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you.
You know, she's very nice. And I've started following her. And I kept saying to him every day, come look at this. Come look at her page. Just have. He's like, she's eating. I was like, don't understand. Like, I'm addicted to it. And she seems so nice and generous. Like, you know, she's willing to help people out. Or whatever. So I basically, she motivated me to do this. And I kept talking to him every day about it. Getting on his nerves. We should do a video together. You should start a YouTube.
We finally did it. We're going to keep on doing it. Let me see. Stay tuned.
I'm trying to do as much videos as I can.
I mean, we're going to eat out. We're going to cook in the house. You know, you see the progress. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You can see what kind of food, how she make her food. You know? Because her food is delicious, too.
And how I actually lose some weight in a week.
I mean,
I actually lose a pound every day.
And you can tell them what you're eating, too.
I lose a pound every day.
Excuse me, y'all.
Like, I don't drink sodas and stuff. Maybe once in the blue. Once out of the month. And for breakfast, I'll have me like two eggs with spinach. That'd be it. A bottle of water.
And then what you gonna eat later during the days?
Well, it depends on what I make. Like yesterday I made, what I made yesterday?
Nothing too heavy, something light.
What I cooked yesterday?
Oh, what's that, roast beef?
Roast beef. I made roast beef. And I'll probably have like a little piece of that because it seemed like when I had a little bit yesterday, I swear I gained a whole pound. And I was mad. I weigh myself every day. I know like a lot of people, like my mom, she told me to weigh myself at the end of the month. I know a lot of people who don't weigh themselves every day. They're like, oh, you should weigh yourself like 2 weeks at the end of the month. But I feel like if I weigh myself every day, I keep portion of what I'm eating. And if I see that it made me gain a pound, I'm going to just keep drinking some water and won't have nothing for the rest of the day.
No, Macca's.
And I will lose that pound by tomorrow.
Macca's AC making my food cold.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. When they give it to you, it's steaming hot. You sit down and you eat it.
I'm sorry you guys didn't see too much of this because, you know, the sun and everything. But we almost done.
Yeah.
This food was good.
I'm taking mine home to go.
You got like a corner left. If you don't eat that,
I ain't eating the rest of this. I'm gonna eat it when I get home.
he was like, I'm hungry.
I was hungry. It filled me up. Remember, we had extra chicken. What you mean?
I'm gonna finish my food.
You gotta finish your rice. Finish your brown rice with no chicken. We did this video for chicken teriyaki, not for brown rice.
Listen, the brown rice is good too. It still got the flavor.
Chicken teriyaki.
Yep.
Get you some.
Yep.
Go get you some. You don't got nothing on your plate?
I'll take some of
You
yours.
ain't gonna take none of mine. You ate yours.
I hope you guys subscribe to our channel.
Let them know the channel again. Tell them the channel. The Bradley's Creation.
But you know what's so crazy?
What?
It was the Tim and Whitney show. And I changed it, but when I look, it said you can't change. It won't show up right away until 3 months later because you changed names too many times.
Oh man, so what? So what is it then?
I have no clue how to look.
What? Oh man, you crazy.
Yeah.
But we'll let y'all know in the comments. So, you know what I mean?
Yes, but please subscribe to our channel.
Even if you gotta scroll all the way down, you'll find it in the comments.
I mean, I told him I want to do videos of everything, like from hair to makeup to plus size clothes to giveaway. I want to do everything for everybody. Like I don't want to just have one channel doing one thing. I think I'll get bored doing one thing. So yeah.
Well,
I thought you were taking your food home. You almost done.
yeah, I know. Well, you know, y'all go there and go get the food.
If he is that now.
Yep. And we appreciate y'all watching the video. You know, stay tuned. There's more to come. All different kind of things.
Be able to see it get better.
Yeah, we're not just
This
doing
is our
one
first
thing.
video.
And you'll be able to see the food a little clearer. But I know y'all heard me eating it, so y'all know it's delicious. Because I was like,
Yeah, normally I hate smacking.
No.
I never smack when I eat. That's the crazy thing. Do I smack?
Sometimes.
I never heard myself smack
Of
before.
course, you ain't going to hear yourself do that. Not because you're enjoying the food. You know?
I guess 'cause I was really hungry today. Because this morning I had 2 eggs. And that was it. That's all I ate.
Well, let's wrap this up.
Guys, make sure y'all subscribe to our channel. And also, what was it around there? Click the bell next to it to get notifications for when we post our videos.
Until then, y'all stay tuned, be well, and eat healthy. Well,
You don't even eat healthy. How dare you tell people to eat healthy?
all right.
He don't even eat healthy.
Yeah, my bad.
You just was complaining about vegetables.
My bad, y'all. Listen, just enjoy your food. Peace.
Bye.